Join me as I take on the challenge of transforming my home into a stunning shabby chic paradise. Let's see if I can pull off this makeover. There's something so charming about a shabby chic home makeover, don't you think? It's all about creating a cozy and inviting space that exudes warmth and character. And let's be honest, who wouldn't want to come home to a haven that feels like a big ol' hug? When it comes to achieving a shabby chic look, one of the biggest challenges people face is budget constraints. We've all been there. We see a beautiful piece of furniture or a stunning decorative accent that would be perfect for our space, but the price tag is just out of reach. Can be really discouraging. Today we will explore 100 shabby chic home decor ideas that will inspire you. Let's get started. Living room. Step into a world of vintage charm and cozy elegance. Imagine yourself sinking into a plush blush pink velvet armchair, adorned with gold accents and layered with rich floral cushions. A distressed fireplace mantel with deep jewel-toned candles flickers warmly nearby, while an ornate gold-framed mirror adds timeless sophistication. Bedroom. Now imagine waking up beneath a dreamy lace canopy, softly draped above a whitewashed wooden headboard. Your bed, a vision in soft pastel ruffles and delicate floral pillows, invites you to sink back into serenity. A crystal chandelier sparkles above, while distressed turquoise nightstands cradle glowing candles and porcelain vases filled with fresh blooms. Gather around a rustic farmhouse table with mismatched pastel chairs, each one charmingly unique. The table glows with flickering brass candlesticks and floral garlands in warm autumn hues. Nearby, a distressed china cabinet showcases delicate porcelain dishes and vintage silverware, adding an inviting touch to every meal. Kitchen. In this shabby chic kitchen, open shelves lined with pastel dishware create a cozy, welcoming feel. Picture a distressed turquoise island, topped with wicker baskets, vintage kettles, and floral ceramics. Soft lace curtains frame the window above a farmhouse sink, while pastel-painted cabinets bring a soft, rustic charm to the room. Even a simple mason jar spice rack becomes a statement piece, blending practical storage with vintage beauty. Bathroom. Now imagine soaking in a vintage clawfoot bathtub, surrounded by flickering candles and gold-accented fixtures. A distressed wooden vanity adds rustic charm, while a lace shower curtain billows softly, creating a dreamy, ethereal feel. Picture antique perfume bottles resting elegantly on porcelain trays, and floral towels draped delicately from wrought iron hooks. Outdoor and garden. Step outside to discover a charming patio adorned with vintage iron furniture, cushioned with soft floral fabrics. Picture rustic wooden planters overflowing with pastel blooms, and weathered bird cages transformed into enchanting floral displays. A lace-draped porch swing offers the perfect spot to sip tea while twinkling fairy lights dance overhead. Every corner feels like a hidden garden retreat, filled with romance and whimsy. Entryway and hallway. Imagine stepping inside to find a weathered wooden console table, topped with a vintage gold mirror and glowing candles. Soft pastel runner rugs lead the way, while antique hooks hold lace-trimmed scarves and floral handbags. Distressed shutters, repurposed into rustic wall decor, create a cozy cottage vibe. Each detail whispers warmth and nostalgia, making every guest feel right at home. DIY and crafts. Get inspired by handmade distressed picture frames, stacked vintage suitcases repurposed as charming storage, and delicate floral wreaths that add a romantic touch. Picture rustic candle holders glowing softly on lace-trimmed trays, or antique books carefully stacked to create a one-of-a-kind side table. Every project feels like a timeless treasure, perfect for adding personality to your home. accessories and small details. Now imagine vintage wall clocks with chipped paint, floral ceramic knobs adding charm to your furniture, and soft crochet throws draped across tufted armchairs. Mason jar soap dispensers, Victorian-inspired picture frames, and delicate ruffled curtains fill every corner with warmth and elegance. Even the smallest details tell a story in this charming shabby chic aesthetic. Seasonal decor. Picture your home glowing with rustic Christmas garlands, lace-trimmed stockings, and vintage brass candle holders. Easter eggs decorated with soft florals and pastel hues add charm to spring, while hand-painted pumpkins create a cozy autumn scene. Your home is more than just a space. It's a reflection of your story. Whether you're drawn to pastel hues, distressed textures, or delicate lace details, these shabby chic ideas will fill your home with warmth, romance, and vintage charm. Stay tuned to see how you can transform your space, one dreamy detail at a time.